Struggling to get your first post live in Whop? Learn how to add a post with images or videos in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through logging in, opening your business, adding media, and hitting publish. Let's start. First, log in to your Whop account using your credentials. Once you're in, open your business dashboard. Now, add your post here. You can include images, videos, or attachments if needed. Then, simply click on Post to publish it. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.